Ibondioma. I got something today and I'm ready to unpack it. Jackie is here as well, so let's see what it is. Jackie, are you ready? What is inside? Jackie, what is inside? Yes. Paquito, Furia. Abiano, you want to enter it already? Let's see what is inside. This is amazing. Wow, this is a very, very beautiful cookbook I got. Beans, Jackie. You like beans? Let's see what else. All these Nigerian recipes. Hey, Jackie likes it too. Meat pie, Jaquito. This one's for you. No, I will not share with you. Oh my God, the samosas. Puff puff. Jackie's so happy. All these things. We will cook it. Oh my God. Even drinks. Hey, Chere. I'm sure Zobo is here. Chapman. Abiano. Wow, I mean, I'll be busy cooking egusi soup. Never. I will be busy cooking for the next 5 years to try all these recipes. And look at all these beautiful pictures, the nice description. I mean, even if you don't know what to gift your friend, your boss, your enemy, this book is beautiful. This book is amazing. And it's so heavy. Now plenty recipes inside. I can't wait to cook with it. Thank you so much for this beautiful surprise. This is a job well done, and as an author I only can imagine how much it took you to put all of this together. Kitchen butterfly. Imerofuma. Don't worry, Ezenwa will get fat very soon. I'll be cooking food. I will finish him with food. Chop plenty. Very well done. Ngwan, let me go to kitchen. Let me see what I will prepare today.